So if you choose Siteground as your hosting provider and you want to register or add on your existing domain into your Siteground, then this tutorial gonna help you how you registered your existing domain in Siteground. Maybe you purchased that domain in Godaddy. So I'm gonna teach you how you can add that on Siteground, like the process for you to see to generate the name server, because you cannot see it in SiteGround unless you follow the process or you work on the process, unless you follow this process. So again, this video is just specifically for the SiteGround, and the instruction that I'm gonna provide with you for the domain server is GoDaddy. But you can always, it's not limited to GoDaddy only. You can have or you can purchase the domain in different domain server. So again, if you are interested in this video, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you how. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so another SiteGround tutorial, and today I'm gonna teach you how you can add your existing domain in SiteGround and also transfer the WordPress files from this domain. So currently we have this, wait a minute, let me check my notepad in here. So this brandsleeves.com is a WordPress website, and we want to transfer all the files from this domain to this domain. So, but first, because we just purchased this domain, so we need to add that on SiteGround. So how you can do that, simply sign into your SiteGround and then go to the website. And then you click this new website, and then you choose the existing domain. Now, if you haven't purchased the domain yet, you choose the new domain. But since you already purchased the domain from GoDaddy, then I'm going to choose the existing domain. So select that one and then fill in the domain name and click continue. And then just skip this one. Just disregard this for now because we will pointing the DNS server later. So click continue. And then this part here, you can have this start a new website. So basically you can install a fresh WordPress website, but we would not do that because I want to transfer the files from this domain. So I will not do that. Migrate website from existing project. This is the right choice, but it has additional fee from SiteGround, I believe. So I will just click the skip and create empty site. Okay, so we just registered the site. So this one, just don't add that. We can click the finish, and then it will SiteGround will add the domain that we just registered to them. So after that, you will see this part here. So you need to point the DNS server in order for SiteGround to add it as an add-on domain. So we will point this one, click that, and then we'll log into our GoDaddy account. So by the way, to access the domain, simply go to the, let me just open the GoDaddy. So you just let me turn it back. Okay. So first is you need to go to the domains and then all domains. Okay. And then in that section or page, you can see all the list of domains that you have purchased. It's just my internet connection is a bit slow, but yeah, you can see it. Hold on. Okay, so I will need to go into the yeah, domains is fine, and then I'll just search the brand celebrities. let's try to search it. Oh, this is not what we did. So go back, go to the domain manager, click the manage my products, and then scroll down so you can see all your products and services in here. And these are all the domains that you have purchased. The bottom part is for just the website building and stuff. So just go to the domains and click the manage domains. So manage domains just so you can see all of the domains that you have purchased. Okay. It might take a couple of minutes depending really on your internet connection. So let me take a look on that because she has a lot of domain. So brands lead, yeah, this one. So brands celebrities love. So click that and then you'll be redirected to the settings area. So simply go into the manage DNS. So click that. And then you go into so you can also use the record options, but we will not cover that for now. If you want me to come up with that version, actually, let me just do it. Like, I mean, we can use a CNAME options versus the DNS server. But yeah, I'll just use the name server. So click that name server thing, and you need to put this credentials. Okay, that one. Put it here. So click the enter my own name servers. Put that and the other one as well. It's this one. And save. Now the domain propagation normally takes 48 to 72 hours, depending really on the propagation. Um, So you just need to wait. Sometimes it will reflect um faster, like less than 24 hours, but if that happens, like if it takes too long to you to update and install WordPress, just wait at least 24 hours to propagate fully your domain. So make sure as well when you update your name server, you click this one, yes, and I consent to update name server for selected domains and click continue. Because if you won't continue this one or finish this setup, your name server will not be fully propagated. So click the continue, and then you go into the okay, it's already updated. So as you can see here, um yeah, so as you can see here, it will really take couple of, let me just refresh this one. So it's already in SiteGround, but again, it will take few hours for you to fully um, reflect or fully propagate your name server. Now let's go back to the SiteGround and go to the site tools. And I'm going to so basically that's how it works. You can start duplicating or creating a WordPress website on this domain. I'm gonna transfer again, as I said, I'm gonna transfer the files from this to this domain, but that's not our tutorial. Our tutorial is about adding or registering the domain into the SiteGround, so we'll not cover that. But I do have tutorial for copying WordPress to WordPress. I'm gonna put the link description below for you to check it out. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.